Hello everyone out there who loves ceiling fans. Today I'm going to be reviewing all these Nutones, but that one's Casablanca. And today, this one's a Nutone. The globe's missing. Very nice Nutone. It shakes a little bit, but it's still that good. And this one clicks. Like the blade brackets are broken. I can just go click, 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 click. Like it's not so loud, but I think it is. So yeah, anyway. Next one. And this one is rolling a little bit slower than that one. And anyway. So anyway, this is the ceiling fan here. And this one has a whacked blade. Here, I'll step way back. Like, do you see the little blade whack over there? Yeah, it's kind of broken. And I think one of the screws got loose. I can't tell if you can. And there's a hole. This one's on low. One just goes a tiny bit faster than this one because it's on like it really shakes. And so anyway, I'll show you the Casablanca one really quickly. Now that fan is a 5-bladed ceiling fan. It's going really fast. By the way, the bulbs that are in there are LEDs. And these are what the old bulbs used to be. They used to be just regular bulbs. Oh, and that must be the volume switch. See, there's one there, one down there. That one, and that one, they're Nutones, and that one down there is a Casablanca. So yeah, that is all the Nutone ceiling fans. And by the way, I want to show you something. Very old Coke machine truck. Alright, see you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed. And look at that Coke machine. Look at that Coke light over there. Really good. So anyway, bye guys. You too.